I've been facing one problem when driving the S15. I feel physically embarrassed because of the state it's in. It is way too stock. My car gets no
Beautiful
bitches, bro. So we're left with one option. We have to Looksmax, as well as replace my blown 25-year-old speakers. And I don't really know how to do any of this because it's a Japanese car. There's not a lot of tutorials online. So I'm just hopping into it. Wish me luck. Step 1, we arrive at the Habibi store and we buy Alpine speakers. We got 6 inches, S65s, $240 for 4 of them. Removing the interior door is really simple. There's 2 plastic screws on the left and right side of the door and then 4 metal screws at the bottom. Then you need to remove the door handle cover, and then there's like a little cup holder thing that has a screw inside of it as well. And now for the best part, you have to get rid of the entire power mirror and power window assembly plugins. And they are impossible to actually reach the little clip to press in because of the way it's angled. So this probably took me 30 minutes to do. You are watching this on actual 1,000 times speed.
Oh, you got it, you got it. Yes! Oh my fucking god, this 25-year-old plastic bullshit.
My heart's already sinking, but I'm so excited to get these speakers in. Easy clip on the top and 4 plugins. Senyo? Shut the fuck up. The next issue I'm facing is I'm putting on the speaker. These little nubs are in the way. They won't sit flush, so I can put them in. My 2 options are to either cut the nub off, or I can drill into the frame of the speaker. And I'd rather not cut the nub off. I'd rather leave this how God intended. So Xavier decides to go monkey mode, unplug the entire plug for the speaker because I don't want to just cut the wire and make him touch. And then I learned about car terminal pins. Yeah, I didn't know where to get them. There was no identifiable markings on them, so I had to find a website that sold them. I don't know how long it took, but I found a website and I had to visually match with over 1,300 pins to choose from, bro. I'm not a quitter and I found them. If you need these for your front speakers, you are welcome. $70 it costs, but I overnighted them, so I have the pins. I just needed to visually match them so I knew I wasn't schizophrenic and that I was right. And then you literally just have to bend these like little terminals around the wire, clamp them shut, and then they go in. Simple. 3 millimeters is the size of that little plastic nub. So I used a 3 millimeter drill and it fit fine. I might have had to do a bit of a hack job, but let's not talk about that. I put the door trims back on and we still have to do the rear speakers. So out of breath, it's so hot in this car. I'm doing the rears. The cover here, I shit you not. 1, 2, 3, just rip them up. Literally just fucking put your like one hand here and just push it upwards. Once you get that, it's loose, but you still have the fucking brake thing. So you just kind of like push it forwards and push it up, but it's still plugged in there. So you can just go in from under there, flathead in, boom, pull. That's it. Bro, how to make this shit work, bro. I don't have the fucking tools. Praise the Lord. I don't know what the fuck, maybe now I'll need to solder for this plugin. Let's figure that out real quick here. The Metro 72-7400 is only $9.99 and you get the fucking red things at the end and then you push that into the damn speaker itself. Here and here, pretty easy, right? Okay, so these have little bends, if you see there, instead of little plastic clips. I'm not gonna just bend them down because I don't know if like that'll cause rattling or uneven surfaces. Test fit. Holy fuck, all right. It's magnetic as fuck. Just give me a sec. Connect these 2 right here. Looking good. Can't imagine a worse fucking job than this. Like my neck is about to break, but they're on. Shit really pissed me off, man. Doesn't seem like there's anything too crazy to it. Shove all this shit back in. Fuck. That felt good. Give me some AC, dear God. Oh, it's so good. Oh, what's that? Oh. Dude, these mosquitoes are eating me fucking alive, bro. I pried it like this right here. Oh my God. And my door panel just fucking, whatever. But as I was saying, you pry that little edge there and then you just push it upwards and outwards depending on which side. And then that reveals 3 little bolts. You need a 10 mil and you can get them out real nice and real quick. We have a few cables, we have 5. We don't need 5. We need 3. The other 2 I assume are for opening and closing, folding in the mirror. But this shit is really fucking dirty. Quite dirty. So I'm gonna try to clean it up a little bit first. And as I do that, I made you guys a diagram. The green wire goes to blue, the gray goes to yellow, and the purple goes to white. But you really just have to look out for it not getting in the way of the rain cover trim that's like right above it. And then the foam that you place on the part that like rests on the door itself, it was showing, so I had to cut some of it out. I also had to just rip off or basically trim that little triangle pocket because the mirror wouldn't fit in it. And we're gonna go pick up the right mirror after this. I have one last thing I have to do before it gets dark. LED upgrade, okay? I'm gonna show you. You wanna see how easy this is? Hold on.
Hey.
You spin it.
Nice.
Done. Well, I like this one more. Lights flashing. That's that ice motherfucking blue. Ooh, that looks good. Huh. Is it too fucking long? No, they're like the same size. 26100 RNC 41. These are for the fucking GTR, bro. Oh, I'm pissed. This fucking sucks. Yo, Halloween? Yeah, nice little fucking update for you guys. Yeah, push it back into place somehow. If you're new to my life, it always goes wrong. So I have no right mirror, my lights are green, and at this point in time, my speakers didn't work because I had to order the pins. But this is my redemption arc. The moment I snapped the old mirror, I hit on my boy who can 3D print. What I had him do was copy the other side and then flip it. It took him 53 minutes from me dropping it off for him to have a new prototype printed and ready to use. But I realized maybe we should have made it a circle so rain or any type of water won't touch the actual motor. So that's what we did. And let's go pick it up.
No measurement.
Yeah, it's actually
Straight
perfect.
guess. Are you fucking kidding?
Oh, yo, why is it scratched here though, man?
Wait.
We got the double-sided tape ready. I have one shot at this.
Yo, whose car is this?
It's his.
Got it. Look at that. Look at the fucking shit. It's good enough.
Well done.
But big thanks to Elliot. If you ever need anything 3D printed or want some styled gas cap holders, hit him up. Bondi Prints on Etsy. But we're not done. All right, well, we're good. I got the proper ones. S15, R34. Let's put them on now. Ooh, nice and blue. Nissan at the top, yes sir. Yeah, it looks a lot fucking better. The most satisfying final click ever. We got full speakers set up in the whip. We got beautiful fucking green LEDs. And my goddamn aero mirrors.